I ultimately did do this, but it took me a couple of fuck ups to do it, which was, and this is what I tell to like entrepreneurs who are starting, like, do not build a goddamn thing. Don't hire anyone. Don't write a don't do anything. Speak to 1,000 people who have a lot of money in some sort of, pick a market, healthcare, beauty supply, whatever, defense, whatever it is. Speak to 1,000 people in that market and pretty much just ask them what their biggest problem is. And listen closely, ask really hard questions. Ask questions like, how can you be so sure? What makes you believe that it's true? If you ask somebody, like, why do you think that? And they don't have a good answer why they think that, why should you think that? And at a certain point in time, if you ask 1,000 people what their biggest problem is, there will be, I think, some sort of signal through the noise. And then you need to evaluate, okay, what can I do that could solve that? If you simply find a bad enough problem and you try to solve it, people at some point will want to pay you a lot of money for your solution. The one thing you could actually control is, like, what problem am I solving? So you need to, like, control that with all your might, because it's the only thing you can control.